Yo, what's up, guys? All right, so we were just about to set up at the Airbnb spot, man. Sun's out, everything's looking great. Ooh, let me get my shades. I can't go nowhere without these things. It's too sunny outside. All right, so we were just about to set up at the Airbnb, and I was about to give you guys a great podcast edition, but we'll be back. Someone just booked the SlingShot, so it's a day in the life of, man. It's regular stuff that we're doing. So we're gonna slide out to the business location, check them in, give them the SlingShot. You guys are gonna get to see that. They said they're there right now, so they pulled up a little early. So we're out, man. So you guys follow me, man. Let's go. Anybody who told you that Turo entails like no work at all, or maybe it's just easy and you're just gonna you kind of have the rest of the day to yourself. Nah, usually it's always some action. You got to be prepared for it. And once again, it is a business and you have to treat it as such, So right now, even though we were just in the middle of something, if a customer calls, I try to make it easy by having contactless pickups. But the thing is with the SlingShot, because it's more like a tricycle, some people, they just don't know how to operate it. So they kind of want to know how to put it on park, or how do you put it in the drive and things of that nature, because it has a trickier function. SlingShot is cool, and I get bookings on it daily. Like, for instance, out of nowhere right today, the weather looks great, so people are like, hey, shoot, let me book the SlingShot real quick, even if it's for a birthday or something like that. So definitely a cool car to have, and once we get there, you guys will kind of see it. Baby? Y'all, you gonna like it. Driven one before? No. Okay. So right now it's in park, right? So you just pull this up with the park and then put on neutral. Okay. And when you're driving, just pull it down, reverse or drive. Has a backup camera, Bluetooth, anything you need. Compartments in the back, so in case you need to lock. So in case you need to store anything, they're on both sides. Okay. Just when you hit that lever, just make sure this thing swings like. So I got you. Yeah. So that's the key there. All right. So glove compartment. You do have some passengers as well. I have that's a poncho. Nah, I don't want to say that. Alright, your fuel is full. It takes 93 gas right here. So you just bring it back how you got it. That's it. Alright, any questions? Just let me know. I'm always Alright, so there it was, man. You got it. You seen it. So that's how you properly go ahead and check in a car. Last minute pickup. Got it done, got it knocked out. Real nice guest. They look like they're about to have a good time. It's real sunny outside. Don't look like it's gonna rain or anything. So, man, that's what it is, man. You guys just go ahead, man. Like, we got this content coming all day long, every day.
Every day. I mean, every day.
So like, comment, subscribe, man. Keep it going. I got way more tips and tricks for you guys, but that was just showing you guys a SlingShot. We got some stuff coming for the SlingShot too, in case you guys want to purchase one or rent one. We got some more stuff coming for you guys, man. So like, comment, subscribe, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, all that, man. And we out, man. I'm gonna see y'all soon.